What's up, HEB shoppers and savers, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time saving with us. The craziness that was the past 2 weeks of couponing at HEB has slowed down a little, but we still have a ton of great deals to do again this week. I'm going to take you along with me in store and show you all of the best deals that you can do to save 50% off or more using only your phone. The deals include groceries, personal care items, and household essentials, so let's head inside and get started. For the first grocery deal, we have the 11-ounce bottles of Tabasco hot sauce priced at $3.56, and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 cash back, as well as ShopKick for 450 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.80. That makes your final net total 76 cents, and both offers have a limit of 5. Next, you can grab 9 packs of the Mi Tienda Guava priced at $2.28, and in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited $1 off digital coupon. That coupon will apply a total of 9 times, taking off $9. The retail value for all 9 packs is also $20.52, so you also want to piggyback this $4 off $20 basket coupon. That's a total of $13 in savings, which will leave you to pay $7.52 out of pocket, or 84 cents a pack. The 40-count box of Truvia sweetener packets is priced at $3.18, and in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited $1.50 digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $1.68 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for 75 cents cash back. That makes your final net total for one box 93 cents. Since the digital coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5, you can grab up to 5 boxes for that 93-cent net total. Just like the other Tabasco deal, you can grab one 5-ounce bottle priced at $3.56, and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 cash back and to ShopKick for 400 kicks, which is equivalent to $1.60. That makes your final net total 96 cents, and both offers have a limit of 5. The Siete seasoning packets are priced at $2.23 each, and in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited 75-cent off digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $1.48 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making your final net total 98 cents. The Ibotta offer has a limit of 5. Next, we have the bags of Pick Sweet seasoning blends priced at $2, and in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon for $1 off, so that'll make each bag only $1. This next deal will vary by region and upon what coupon each region received. Select bags of the HEB flavored tortilla chips are on sale for $1.75, down from $3.18, and some regions received a 75-cent off unlimited digital coupon. With that coupon, each bag of chips is only $1. Other regions, however, received a $1 off 2 unlimited digital coupons, so you'll want to grab 2 bags, and after that coupon applies at the register, you'll pay $2.50 out of pocket, which makes each bag $1.25. The cans of Fritos Bean Dip are priced at $3.98 each, and for this deal, you want to grab 2. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this $2 off 2 unlimited digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $5.96 out of pocket for both. You can then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $1 back for each can for a total of $2. That makes your final net total for both $3.96 or $1.98 each. The coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta offer has a limit of 5, so you can grab up to 4 total cans for that $1.98 net total. These bags of Siete Mexican cookies are priced at $4.48 each, and in the My HEB app, we have a $1.50 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $2.98 out of pocket. We also have a $1 rebate on Ibotta that you can claim, which makes your final net total per pack $1.98, and the Ibotta offer has a limit of 5. If you're not currently saving with Ibotta or any of the other rebate apps featured in this video, I do have links for all of them down in the description below, and when you sign up for any or all of them, you will unlock a welcome bonus. Another Siete deal that you can do is for the Puffs. These are priced at $4.48, and we have a $1 digital coupon in the My HEB app. With that unlimited coupon, you'll pay $3.48 out of pocket, but then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back, making your final net total $1.98. This Ibotta rebate also has a limit of 5. For the final grocery deal, you can grab any 12-pack of Mountain Dew that is on sale for $5.47, down from $8.16, as well as 1 bag of Doritos chips priced at $4.48. Here is an example of what you should have in your cart for this deal, and then in the My HEB app, you want to clip the unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the Mountain Dew, you're going to get the Doritos for free. That makes your final out-of-pocket cost $5.47, or roughly $2.74 each. So just a heads up for the personal care section, my store is in the process of remodeling, so a lot of those aisles are occupied by people redoing the shelves and restocking them, so I'm not able to get through and film a lot of the items for y'all, but I will put visuals of them up on the screen so that way you know what you're looking for and of course show you the deal. Starting off our personal care deals, we have these Bosch & Lomb Eye Relief Drops that are priced at $3.39. And in the My HEB app, we have a $3 off coupon, so that'll make one of these just 39 cents. My store was out, but you want to look for the 1.4 ounce of the Lady Speed Stick deodorant priced at $2.42, and you want to grab 3 of those. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited digital coupon that'll make $3. So that coupon will save you $1.42 per deodorant, making each one only $1. For the next deal, you can either grab the Dove Amino Curl Repair Shampoo or the conditioner priced at $5.84. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this $2 off unlimited coupon, which will leave you to pay $3.84 out of pocket. You then want to check your fetch account for this offer for 2,500 points or $2.50. That makes your final net total for the shampoo or conditioner $1.34. The digital coupon is unlimited and the fetch offer has a limit of 5. This 30-count pack of HEB Dairy Digestive Tablets is priced at $4.88. And in the My HEB app, we have a $3 off unlimited digital coupon, making each pack $1.88. For this next deal, you want to grab 5 Secret deodorants priced at $3.97 each, as well as 1 2-pack of Secret deodorants priced at $5.78. Here's an example of the items that you should have for this deal, and then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited $1.50 digital coupon that'll apply a total of 6 times, taking off $9. The retail value for these items is also $25.63, so you also want to piggyback this $5 off $25 basket coupon. With a total of $14 in savings, you'll be left to pay $11.63 plus tax out of pocket. Select varieties of Banana Boat sun care products are priced at $5.97, and in the My HEB app, we have a $3 off unlimited digital coupon, making each product just $2.97. This Neutrogena facial astringent is priced at $6.77. And in the My HEB app, we have a $3.50 digital coupon, which will make your out-of-pocket cost for one $3.27. The Neutrogena Daily Facial Moisturizers are priced at $9.97. And in the My HEB app, we have a $5 digital coupon, so that'll make your out-of-pocket cost for one $4.97. You can grab a L'Oreal Paris Collagen Daily Moisturizer for this next deal. It is priced at $9.97, which will pay out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 cash back, making your final net total for one $4.97. These Biore UV Aqua Rich Moisturizers are priced at $15.49. And in the My HEB app, we have a $4 off unlimited digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $11.49 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $4 cash back. That makes your final net total $7.49. And since the coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 3, you can grab up to 3 of those for that $7.49 net total. We also have the 30 count of Claritin non-drowsy tablets that are priced at $19.77. And in the My HEB app, we have a $5 coupon, which will leave you to pay $14.77 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $5 cash back to bring your final net total down to $9.77. The digital coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta offer has a limit of 5. Moving into our household deals, we have this deal that is back for the Fancy Feast Gems cat food. These are still on sale for $1.97, down from $2.23. In the My HEB app, we have a $1 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay 97 cents at the register. But then you want to check your fetch account for this offer for 1,000 points or $1. With that offer, one thing of the cat food is completely free. This freebie is back on Ibotta. If you still have it, you want to grab 1 Glade Plug-ins warmer priced at $1.78, which you'll pay out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.78 cash back, making one of these free. This 2-pack of Pentel gel pens is priced at $2.97. And in the My HEB app, we have a $1.50 unlimited digital coupon. With that coupon, each 2-pack is only $1.47. The 4-count pack of Tide washing machine cleaner is priced at $7.92. And in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon for 25% off. That coupon will take $1.98 off at the register, which will leave you to pay $5.94 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.75 cash back and check your fetch account for this offer for 2,000 points or $2. After all offers, your final net total for one box is $2.19. You can grab up to 2 of these for that $2.19 net total. For this next deal, you want to grab 3 cans of Raid Ant and Roach Spray priced at $4.99 each. And in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited combo loco offer. When you buy 2, you're going to get the 3rd can for free. With that coupon, you'll pay $9.98 at the register, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back for each can for a total of $3. That makes your final net total $6.98 or $2.33 a can. This deal from last week just got even better, where you want to grab any 4 of the 20-count refills of the Swiffer wet or dry cloths priced at $8.94 each. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited $10 off 2 coupon that'll apply twice, taking off a total of $20. Here's an example of what you should have in your cart for this deal, and the retail value for all 4 items is $35.76. Since you are also grabbing over $30 worth of participating items, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $30 basket coupon. With a total of $25 in coupons, you're left to pay $10.76 out of pocket for all 4 items, or $2.69 each. The 200-count box of the Snuggle Blue Sparkle Dryer Sheets are priced at $6.97. And in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited $2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $4.97 out of pocket. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 back, making your final net total for 1 box $2.97. A similar deal can be done for the 66-ounce bottle of Snuggle Blue Sparkle Fabric Softener. It is priced at $6.97, and you'll use that same $2 off unlimited digital coupon as the deal before. You'll pay $4.97 out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.75 cash back. That'll make your final net total for 1 bottle $3.22. This Ibotta deal is also back, where you can grab a STEM light trap starter kit priced at $14.48, and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $10 cash back, making your final net total for $4.48. We have one more Snuggle deal that you can do, and it is for the 39-ounce bottle of Snuggle Blue Sparkle Scent Boosters priced at $9.97. Again, you'll use that same $2 off unlimited Snuggle coupon, which will leave you to pay $7.97 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 cash back, making your final net total for 1 bottle $4.97. Our final deal of the video is a baby deal scenario, where you want to grab 4 bottles of Pedialyte priced at $5.44 each, as well as 1 A&D diaper rash ointment priced at $3.24. Here is an example of the items that you should have for this deal. And in the My HEB app, you want to clip this $4 off 2 unlimited digital coupon for the Pedialyte, which will apply twice, taking off a total of $8. Since you also have a subtotal right at $25 for participating baby items, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $25 basket coupon. With a total of $13 in coupons, you're left to pay $12 at the register for everything. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this week's Best HEB Deals video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget too about the printable list down in the description below that you can print out and take to the store with you to make shopping all of these deals easy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.